Ooh. Oh, you were recording? What's up, guys? Right now we're actually at the pull apart place. We were here the last time in the first building video for this, and if you guys are checking in on this video for the first time, make sure you guys subscribe to their channel. Stay tuned for the rest of the build process for the CELICA. There's gonna be a lot to come on that, and I'm gonna make sure it comes out really nice. But right now, we've already viewed like 5 CELICAs here. There's about 3 of them right here, 1, 2, and 3. Fortunately, there's not much to take off of it. I was hoping to take off some cool parts, but you gotta get here quick. I really wanted to get some seats. These are the nicest seats I could find. I'm not a big fan of red, but they're in really good condition. But unfortunately, someone took the cover off of this one, so I can't actually buy it. And you notice there's like no rips right here, no like nothing. So these would have worked perfect. And if you guys saw the first video, you would have saw how messed up it is. I haven't updated you since the last time of the other video. I have sewed it up, which I'll show you guys today. No visors I can grab, no additional parts. But there is one thing that I did get out of this. Where's it at? Let me see. Oh, here it is. I did get another CELICA. Here's the title. So I have 2 CELICAs now. Anyways, we're gonna get the charcoal canister out of this car. This is a GTS like mine. I'm gonna hope that it is gonna work good, and I might be able to get rid of that check engine light that I do have. We're gonna check this out today. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's not bad. I'll let you know later. You can come over here. Actually, we should move the wheelbarrow. I actually don't know where the charcoal canister is. I've been told it's like underneath the muffler, but on this car it's actually aftermarket exhaust, so there is no huge muffler that's going to be in the way. There is like a heat shield or something like that that's sitting underneath there, and I have a feeling it's underneath that, so I'm going to remove the heat shield and we'll see if it's there. But I gotta get my rubber protection on. That was supposed to be funny. I think the bolts are 10 millimeters. I'm going to find out right now. I knew it was 10 millimeter. Everything on a Toyota is freaking 10 millimeters. This looks like all the hosing to it. That's why I have a feeling it could be underneath there. Whoop, there it is. Gotta be strong to bend metal. That's it right there. Hard to get underneath here. You know what's fun?
What?
Wow, it just doesn't break.
Dude, you gotta get paid for it. You don't have to pay for it. Just like, I didn't buy that.
I'm too scared to actually hit it really hard.
Yeah,
I'm
no.
like gently hitting it. You ready?
It's got a bust thing on a
Minimum effort. I'm too scared. Okay. Oh, good. It's like so much work just to get underneath there.
You got shit all over your face.
Yeah, exactly. I really wish I knew how to take this thing off. We just got out the part. I'll tell you right now, I really don't want to have to do that again. Guess it's the only thing I'm gonna be able to walk out of here with today. No seats, no nothing that I really wanted, but at least we got something. So I'll catch you guys back at the house. We just made it back from pull apart place. Obviously we didn't get the seats or anything cool. I did get this, so today we're actually gonna try to get rid of that stupid check engine light, because that's probably the most annoying thing I get to look at every single time I get in the car. It was annoying to get this thing off, so hopefully it's not gonna be a pain in the butt whenever I have to take off mine. And as far as seats, I did tell you guys I wanted to show you guys the updated version of what I've done so far. There's huge tears all along here. It's just all bare. There's metal poking out. What it is, I just filled it in with some foam that we had extra. I did sew this up, put some black fabric underneath it. With this one, I couldn't sew it up, so what I did was fill it up with more foam, and then actually just use the same type of material as I did for the headliner, similar to like this one right here, like the Alcantara, and just kind of glued it on just for a temporary thing, because the foam that was in there was getting everywhere. Pretty bad, so, but it's whatever for right now. Now, onto some goodie stuff. I want to talk to you guys about some wheels. Come check this stuff out. So I had this all set up, looking all cool. It's all staged for you guys. So we have 3 different wheels right here. And what I want you guys to do for me, give me an opinion on which wheels I should go with. Now, first off, the wheels with the car. To me, these look god awful ugly, mainly because of the paint job. But I picked up the tire and wheel setup for 150 bucks. You can't beat that. If you guys decide these, what my plan is, get some coilovers. Either way, I'll probably get coilovers with all of these wheel setups. Throw some spacers just to even it out, roll the fenders, and then also sand them all down, repaint them in like a aluminum style, kind of like this, kind of like the alloy look, but more of like a darker. So that's that one if you guys prefer these. Then we got the second scenario, which I'll keep the 16-inch wheels. Obviously I'll get spaced with these coilovers, but they're smaller wheels. And then the last setup is these. These are some super rare wheels. They're called racing parts. Specifically, these are the CRs. I got really good deals on these too, because from what I know, they're for sale for like over $1,000. But the problem is with these, because I would already have these on the car, is that the bolt patterns are not even what I need. But if you look on the back, you'll see, which you guys will get a close up here in a second. It shows basically every bolt pattern possible for every wheel. 4x100, 4x1 14.3, 5x1 14.3, 5x100, 5x120, 5x112, whatever. Basically every wheel manufacturer bolt pattern out there. Now the scenario with these, if you guys choose these, I will have to get spacers, but they will be adapters and they have to be at 1 inch. So these will go from 18 by 8.5, 18 by 8.5 to 18 by 9.5, which is really, really, really wide. I would have to get different tires. I'd have to sell these or whatever, get stretched tires and really roll out the fenders if I did choose to get these. But I could fit them in there. I could. So those are the different scenarios. I do like these a lot. So tell me guys, what you guys think would be the best scenario between the two. I'm about to show you guys why these wheels need to be redone so bad. I mean, you can probably already see from like this clip. Come on. All right. Yeah. Look how amazing this paint job is, first off. I mean, it's just, it had to have been expensive because look how professionally done it is. Gosh. Jealous. I mean, honestly, I just like feel like so ashamed to even have them on my car. That's how bad it is. The one car that I was working on at the place had no muffler right here. He had an exhaust that went straight out the back. So I'm actually gonna have to take off this exhaust to get to the little shield right there. Alright guys, so got that off. Pretty easy, huh? So all I gotta do is take off this little shield to get to behind there. If you can see all these hoses, that all connects to the canister. So I'm gonna get all this opened up and we should be good. I got off the canister. Boom. Here's the one that's on the car right now. The only thing I can tell that's makes anything feel weird, look weird, is this white stuff all over this side of the canister right here. That's about it. But other than that, here's the replacement one. Obviously it's used, but I'm just kind of playing around with it. I really don't know what the check engine light is. I'm not really too worried about it just right now, but I was like, why not grab it, because I did kind of narrow it down to being the canister. So we're gonna just throw it on and go from there. We're gonna see if this even gets rid of that check engine light. I doubt it though. I got the spare canister in, the one from the pull apart place, basically buttoned up to everything. I haven't put the exhaust on, but I wanted to let you guys hear what it sounds like without the muffler on the car. It's gonna sound really racy and really loud. Probably not gonna rev it up too loud because we are in a neighborhood. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, obviously it doesn't sound that great. I'm gonna keep the TRD muffler on there for right now. I'm not a big fan of these kind of 4-cylinder cars with loud exhaust because they just sound so raspy and bad. So we're gonna keep away from that. I think I'm gonna have to let the car dry for a little bit, maybe erase the codes to even attempt to see if the check engine light will go away. What is that? I don't see a check engine light. Just went on a full drive of, I'd say about what, like 5 miles? 5 miles or so. Check engine light still hasn't popped on. I did want to show you guys one more thing that I thought was really cool that I have gotten for the car. Like I said, we're going to be putting this car back to amazing shape and even better. And so I thought I wanted to show you guys this. Can't see it, can you? I'm still hiding it. It's a big surprise. We got ourselves a nice carbon fiber hood. I am gonna have to basically I'm gonna have to sand this whole thing down. We're gonna have to re-clear, so we're gonna have to do that in the future here soon. I'm gonna save this to last to the end of the video if you guys stuck around, so cool things are coming for this little car. So that's gonna be it for today. I still gotta put back the car. It is getting late tonight and I'm running out of daylight. Won't have much to do. I'm gonna put the car back together, drive it around for a little bit, and see if the check engine light goes away. We'll update you guys the next video. Other than that, hope you guys have enjoyed it. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe to the channel, and be sure to stay tuned for the next build.